Hi and welcome back to Spot On Works. In this video I'm gonna show you how to recharge AC system in 2016 Chrysler Town Country. This is also gonna apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2008 and all the way up to 2020. I have issue with this van that my driver's side vents are blowing very cold air, but the passenger side they are blowing cool or warm air. Therefore, I think this vehicle just needs a little top off of the AC Freon. If your vehicle is blowing warm from both sides, driver and passenger, it is the best idea to go to professional shop so they can diagnose what's the problem with your AC system and then evacuate AC and then fill it up properly. But if you have case like me where you just want a little bit colder AC or so it's blowing on cold on both sides, you can just top it off like I'm gonna show you right now. First I'm gonna open the hood by pulling this hood lever. To recharge my AC I'm gonna be using hose with a gauge and can of Freon. If this video helps, please subscribe to my channel, like and share the video. You wanna make sure that you have a proper Freon for your vehicle, and to do that you wanna find sticker like that and check the Freon specifications. So this vehicle is using R134A. So this is the Freon you wanna use to recharge your vehicle. Next step is to locate your low AC hose. And this one on this vehicle is located right here. So to gain better access, I'm gonna remove this engine cover. Basically you just want to pull it up on each corner and then remove it on the side, and that is gonna give me better access to this low pressure hose so I can connect my AC hose. On your AC hose you have two sides. So one side is a quick connect and pretty much that side will have to go on the low port connection there, and the other side will connect to your AC can. First I'm gonna connect my AC can to this side of the hose. You need to pay attention on this little needle here. So when you're attaching your AC can you wanna make sure that needle is all the way inside, so it doesn't puncture your AC can right away. See, I just want to show you here, it's sticking out, and now you just want to twist this until it goes completely inside. And now when this needle is inside, you can screw your AC can all the way. Make sure it's tight, just like that. Now at this point I'm gonna start the vehicle. I'm gonna turn AC on, recirculation button, and set up the fan on the full speed. Make sure all your vents are open. And now I'm gonna attach this side to the low port here. But first I'll have to remove this cap. So turn it counterclockwise and remove it. And now just attach your hose there. You want to make sure this hose is properly attached by try to pull it out. Make sure you cannot remove it. Now if you check your hose gauge, you can see approximately how much Freon you have in your AC system. So my system is not completely empty. There is actually some AC inside, but ideally you want to see that black needle to be on the high end in the blue field, so right about here, about at 50 to 55 psi. Before opening the can, you wanna shake it a little bit. You wanna have your can upside down, and now slowly you can start twisting it to open it up. Now the can is punctured, and you can already see that Freon is going into the AC system. Now the can is punctured all the way, and I'm gonna turn this counterclockwise to release some Freon. And now you can pay attention to your needle to see how it's rising. The reason why the needle is going up and down is because AC compressor is turning on and off. And that way you can tell that your AC compressor is working. And as you can see, after emptying one whole can, my system is almost completely full. I'm gonna check if the passenger side is blowing any colder, and definitely it's as cold as the driver's side. So that was my goal, to have both sides equally cold. Try this one, cold as well. So I only needed one can to top it off, and that worked for me. And as you can see, my gauge is going almost at the end of the blue field. It's not completely full, but it's about 80%, which is more than enough, so I can have cold air both from driver and passenger side. When you're done recharging, you can just turn AC off and shut off the vehicle. And now you can remove this quick connect. And don't forget to put this cap back on. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.